Hey guys, welcome to Show-Me Tint. We're doing something a little different. I'm Randy. We got something in store for you this time. So my video guys let me get a little wild with it. I told them, let's get a little wild, let's have a little fun. Fall's coming up. We got this little surprise. It's like kind of a weird thing we got going on, but the 14th, we're gonna have a little event here at the shop, and it's called Show Me Skids, where we bring the Show Me Skid people in. They do a bunch of burnouts, they get a little wild, collect a bunch of toys for kids. It's gonna be fun. And I got this letter from the city and they were like, hey, you need to demo this house. It's a nuisance. And I said, you know what we're gonna do? Let's crash a car in through it. And hopefully the car does not go all the way through the house. We kind of talked about it in a previous video, but we're gonna have a little fun with it. We bought this car and we're gonna crash it through the house. That is a little sample of what might happen. We don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully nobody gets hurt. Hopefully it's a good time. We don't know what's gonna happen though.
Did I bump that?
Just slightly, just
okay.
A kind of a nudge. Drew tried to volunteer to drive it through the house.
I want to ramp onto the house.
I mean, that would be cool.
I would drive it like that. I don't want to drive it.
The ramp is still an option. The ramp is still an option.
If someone wants to build us
don't
like a 20-foot
you have a ramp or something?
Yeah, but it's not big enough. Like, we would need to build onto it a lot to make it big enough.
I just feel like we could probably.
I can go get it.
I mean, we should probably get it.
Yeah,
we should probably get the ramp, and then just kind of hopefully get some air. I think that'll be sick. We really don't know what's gonna happen.
No, it's gonna be fun though. I know that.
It's gonna be fun. Yeah, Drew, go ahead and tell us about our awesome car that's gonna be doing this.
About this? You want to about the old Buick Regal? Not sure what year it is. It's got a hood. It's got a hood and a roof. Got the guy yelling at us. Hood, roof, 4 doors, Buick Regal.
Yeah.
That's about I know about it.
It's got the a motor big enough to carry it through the house. That's going to be a good time. I think we'll do a burnout. You think you could make it do a burnout?
Kick a dent into it, Randy.
Oh,
nice,
yeah.
Nice.
Felt good.
I already caved in the roof earlier.
I feel bad. It's nicer than Hunter's car.
It is super nice, actually. We only paid $300 for it.
It's super cheap.
Oh, the house is falling down.
I hope the house makes it to the party. That'd be cool. Like,
at the rate I'm going with the car since we've gotten it.
Yeah, immediately we got in it and crashed it into the house.
Yeah, the wall is about 5 foot in from what it was. Here we go.
Buick, baby! Do not kill me.
Stunt.
Sick. Please come down the
Bring a toy.
14th. Bring a toy for the kids. We're going to donate with the Skid for Kid crew. They're going to be doing a bunch of wild stuff. Drew will be here.
Either you bring something to do burnouts or bring a toy. That's all we're asking out of everybody.
Yeah, that'd be fun. It's going to be a good time. I'm probably going to do a burnout, one of my toys. Hopefully we do a good time. You're going to come down.
You're going to do burnout?
Oh, yeah.
Probably won't blow his tires in his nice car, but
Oh,
I got tires, and I told him I got tires and wheels for him, so.
It'll probably get wild. Last time it turned up pretty good.
Yeah, we probably had like 400 people here at the last one we did.
Yeah, it's going to get sick. So show up, bring some toys. 6:30?
6:30, October 14th.
6:30, October 14th. Yeah, we just kind of threw this together. So turn up and turn out and have a good time. Yeah, anything else, Drew?
No, skids for kids to the top, baby.
Skid for kids, baby. All right, let's get wild with it.
Both of you at the same time. Watch out.
I'm not trying to fall.
What was that little?
Oh.
You said you weren't going to hurt a window.
Did I take it too far?
Is that too much?
We're going to run a brick through it. We'll be here for a whole week. I just figured it was.
Oh,
Let's hope the brick does not.